This is Nashimur, the CEO of InfoTaxCard.com, and we are a team of CPAs and EAs. State refunds are not taxable income in the subsequent year unless we use itemized deduction. This is my today's program in which I am going to cover what is Form 1099-G, whether the previous year tax return refund is taxable or not, and how the state refund is classified. What is Form 1099-G and what type of income is reported on Form 1099-G? Form 1099-G is a form used by governmental agencies to report different types of income you may receive from them, such as state and local tax refunds, unemployment compensation, and other government payments. If you itemized deduction last year, it is possible that you will be required to report your state tax refund as income on your federal tax return. And your federal tax return requires you to report unemployment compensation as taxable income. Now we are going to discuss, based on the following conditions, whether the previous year refund which is received in the current year is taxable or not. In order to deduct state and local state taxes paid, you must itemize your deduction and include the state tax refund as income on your federal tax return. Again, to deduct state and local taxes paid, you must itemize your deduction and include the state tax refund as income on your federal tax return. This is because you have obtained a tax benefit from the state tax deduction in the previous year. If you opt for the standard deduction instead of itemization, you do not have to report the state tax refund as income since you did not get any tax benefit from those state and local tax payments. What is the purpose of these rules? The purpose of this rule is to prevent taxpayers from receiving twice as much benefit for their state tax payments. Now we are going to learn how is the state refund is classified. Form 1040 is the primary tax form to begin with. Make sure to report the state tax refund on Schedule 1 for additional income and adjustment to income Part 1, Line 1. The total amount of state or local taxes refunds you receive as reported on Form 1099-G can be entered on Line 1 on Schedule 1. The total from Schedule 1 is then carried over to Form 1040 on Line 8 as other income. Now I'm going to summarize this program. If you itemize your deduction in the previous year and receive a tax benefit, you only must report the state tax refund. If you use the standard deductions, you will not need to report the refund. By doing this, you can ensure that your state tax refund is accurately recorded on your federal tax return. I request you subscribe to my channel to receive the most up-to-date and accurate tax information in your email regularly to enhance your knowledge. I thank you and God bless you.